Hello everybody. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello everybody. Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher to give me this golden opportunity to narrate a story in front of you. A story of Lalu and Pilu. Once upon a time, one chicken lived in jungle, and chicken hen to release two eggs, Lalu and Pilu. Lalu liked all red things, and Pilu liked all yellow things. One day Lalu go to farm, and Lalu saw two red thing. Lalu too very happy. I can go and I can eat. Lalu go and eat. Lalu suddenly know this is chili. Came to know this is chili. This was chili. And Lalu screamed, and mom come, and mom asked Lalu, what are you doing, my son? Lalu asked, Mom, I ate chili and my mouth is start burning. Suddenly Pilu come, and Pilu say, what are you doing, my brother? Brother ask, I eat chili and my mouth is burning. And Pilu to say, my brother waited 2 minutes, and Pilu go to Lalu rooms, and Pilu opens his bag, our bag, and Pilu get up one laddu and takes one laddu and went to Pilu. And Pilu asked, my brother fast eat, and Lalu eat laddu, and Lalu mouth stop burning, and Pilu mom hen kissed our son. Thank you so much.
Or
sir?
Burning. What was the last sentence? Lalu
kissed our sons. Her sons. Thank you so much.
Okay, that's great. Yeah.
Hello everybody, good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher for giving me this golden opportunity to narrate the story story named Lalu and Pilu. I am singing. Once upon a time there were lived one hen. Hen have two chicks named Lalu and Pilu. Lalu loved red thing because his skin color is red, and Pilu loved yellow things because his skin color is yellow. Then one day a mother hen come to go to outside the home because he had some work for outside. Then he went. Then Lalu are hungry. Lalu were hungry because he don't eat anything. सुबह से
Since morning. He hasn't eaten anything since morning.
That's why he went to outside the home and saw a red thing in a plant, and he went past जाना मतलब take
He went to the
plant and eat red thing. But he don't know what is this, but he ate. Then he his chili. Then his mouth is started burning. Then he was shouting. Then listened Lalu's voice. His mother came to Lalu and say, what do you eat? Did you eat? Then Lalu say, I eat chili, that's why I am shouting. Then suddenly Lalu came and say, what are you doing? Then Lalu say, I ate chili, that's why I am shouting. Then Lalu say, I come for 2 minutes and I got something for you. Then he got a laddu. Then Lalu's mouth stopped burning. Then his mother and Pilu kissed Lalu. Thank you.
That's great. Let's give him time.
Hello everybody, good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher for giving me this golden opportunity to narrate the story. The story named Lalu and Pilu. Once upon a time there lived two hens named Lalu and Pilu. Lalu loved red things and Pilu loved yellow things. One day Lalu sat in a house, inside the house. Then he saw a red things. Then Lalu went to and ate the red things. Then he screamed. Then Pilu came to and said, why are you screamed? Why are you screamed? Then Lalu says, I ate a red chili. Then Pilu says, wait, I go and bring some laddus. Then Pilu went to market and buy some laddus. Then he came to Lalu. Pilu came to Lalu. Then he said, you ate the laddus. Then Lalu ate some laddus. Then Pilu went to his mother and says, mother, Lalu ate red chili. Then mother and Pilu came to Lalu. Then Lalu says, my brother brought some laddus. I ate some laddus. Then mother says, okay. Then Lalu said, Pilu, thank you, my brother. Then Pilu and mother kissed him. Thank you.
Great. A big round of applause for him.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Akhil Gupta and I study in class 6th. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher to give me this golden opportunity to narrate a story in front of you. Story is to Lalu and Pilu. There was lived one hen who has two children named Lalu and Pilu. One day Lalu and Pilu went to forest and both of Lalu play cricket and Pilu played football and Lalu played cricket. After some times Lalu Lalu was coming, so he saw a farm. So he went to the farm and he saw a red thing. Lalu ate red things. Oh no! It was a red chili. Lalu got scared. So he started shouting. After some time, his mother came and said, "Why are you shouting?" And he told that, "Mother, I ate chili." So suddenly Pilu came and said, "Stop! I was bringing a tasty thing." After some time, Pilu came and he brought a laddu. So his brother ate laddu and he is happy, and Lalu happy, and Pilu and his mother kissed him. Thank you.
Superb, yeah, let's give your for him. Now, sir.
Hello everybody, good afternoon to all of you. First all of I would like to thank my teacher for giving me this golden opportunity, the narrate of story Lalu and Pilu. There was a hen that had two chicks, Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red. He loved red thing. Pilu was yellow. He loved yellow thing. One day there was a hen who saw something on plant. It was red chili. Lalu he ate up. Oh no! It was red chili. It was very hot. Lalu he screamed. Mother hen came running. Pilu came too. Mother hen, what happened? Pilu Lalu eat up red chili. Pilu he said, I will get something for you. I will what a laddu, yellow laddu. Lalu gobbled a laddu. Gobbled the yellow laddu. His mouth burning stopped. Lalu mother hen Pilu and kissed Lalu. Very happy.
Okay.
Hello everybody, good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher this golden opportunity. Narrate the story. Narrate the story. Narrate the story. Lalu and Pilu. Lalu and Pilu. Lalu and Pilu. They are Lalu and Pilu. There was a hen. She had chicks. Lalu and Pilu. Lalu and Pilu. Lalu loved red things. Lalu loved red things and Pilu loved yellow things. Then Lalu he ate red thing. Plants ate then red things. Lalu eating red chilies. Then Lalu mouths starting burning. Then mother came to running. Then Pilu was go to shop and laddus. Then Lalu screamed. Then Pilu said, I screamed. Lalu's mouth stopped burning. Stopped. Then Lalu and Pilu kissed Pilu. Thank you.
Hello everybody, good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher this golden opportunity narrate the story.
Okay, go on.
Named Lalu and Pilu, there was a she had a hen, two chicks. She had a hen, two chicks. Lalu was he loved things. Pilu was red. He loved things. Pilu was yellow. Loved things. One day I saw something on plant. One day I saw something on plant. He ate up. Oh no, it was a chili. It was a red chili. Starting burning.
Hello everybody, good evening to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher for giving me this golden opportunity to speak on the story
Speak on the story.
named Lalu and Pilu. Start करते हैं. There was a hen. She had two chicks, Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red. He loved red things. Pilu was yellow. He loved yellow things. Lalu something on plant. It was red. He ate it. Oh no! It was a red chili. It was very hot. Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed. Mother hen running. Mother hen came running. Pilu came to. Pilu said to, I get something for you. Pilu brought a yellow laddu. Lalu gobbled in the up laddu. Lalu's mouth stopped burning. Mother hand Pilu kissed Lalu.